If you want to learn how to add AI infographics to an image, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to use Gamma to turn an image into an AI infographic quickly and easily. This is a great way to create more polished visuals, simplify complex ideas, and generate professional-looking designs without needing to write a huge prompt every single time. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Gamma account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign in before you can access the design tools. Once you're inside Gamma, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the main tools and features for creating and editing your content. Now, select the media icon on the left panel. This is the section you want because it gives you access to image-based tools. After clicking that, you'll see options for working with visuals. From here, choose an AI image if you already have one available, or create an AI image of your own if you want to generate something from scratch. Once your image is ready, click on the picture to select it. This step is important because Gamma needs to know which visual you want to edit. After selecting the image, look for the drop-down box above the image controls. In that menu, choose AI Infographics. When you select AI Infographics, Gamma will start transforming your image into a more infographic-style visual. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually designing every detail, you can let the AI reshape the image into a cleaner, more structured format that looks great for presentations, social posts, explainers, and educational content. One of the best parts of this feature is that you can change the style in which the image will be generated without having to write a long, detailed prompt. That saves time and makes the process much easier, especially if you're experimenting with different looks. You can test different styles until you find the one that matches your content best. If your first result isn't exactly what you want, don't worry. Just go back, select a different style, and generate it again. This flexibility makes it easy to fine-tune the final look without starting over from scratch. It's a simple workflow, but it can make your visuals look much more professional in just a few clicks. So to recap, log into Gamma, open the Media section, choose or create an AI image, select the image, and then use the AI Infographics option from the drop-down menu to change the style and generate your new visual. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that makes AI tools easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.